Hello Year 3, it's Miss Sumner here, and we're going to continue with our learning on weight, on how much something weighs, how heavy something is, or what the mass of something is. Now today's lesson is a little bit different than normal. I'm not going to give you any worksheets to complete. Your task is to look around the house and weigh different things. But first you need to learn about a different type of scale. But it's the same scale, same type of scales, but a different scale. Now you're in focus today. Is the mass of the bag of rice is more than 3 kilograms? How can you tell its mass? What I'd like you to do is write instructions on how you can find out the mass of the rice. So number 1, what do you have to look for? Number 2, what do you then have to do? Is it the same sort of scale as yesterday? Are there 10 different gaps, or are there different gaps, and what do those gaps mean? Can you pause the video and write instructions to find out the in focus, please? Okay, hopefully you have done that. I now want you to look at that scale, and one of your first instructions should have been looking for the 0 and to see whether this scale is in kilograms or grams. Now this rice looks quite heavy, and I can see that it's measuring it in kilograms, which is the bigger weight. We can remember that 1,000 grams is 1 kilogram, so I might get my pen out and remind myself that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams. So I can see the dial is pointing here, so I always start at 0 and I count up 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms. I can see that it is more than, not less than, more than 3 kilograms. So yes, I can tell it's more than 3 kilograms by looking at the scale. But this scale was different than last time. Yesterday we had 10 little gaps in between each kilogram, and we counted up in hundreds. So a little bit like this scale here, we could say 3 kilograms, 3 kilograms 100, 3 kilograms 200 grams, 3 kilograms 300 grams, all the way up to 3 kilograms 900 grams, 4 kilograms. But this one's only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps, and I put it on a number line to make it nice and clear. We've got 5 jumps in between 3 kilograms and 4 kilograms. So what are we going to do? Well, instead of counting in hundreds, could we count in 500s? 3 kilograms, 500, 3 kilograms, 1,000, 4 kilograms. Oh no. We've not got to the end, all the way to the end of our scale. Could I count in 50s? 3 kilograms and 50 grams, 3 kilograms and 100 grams, 3 kilograms and 150 grams, 3 kilograms and 200 grams, 3 kilograms and 250. Oh, no. What about more than 100? Let's count in 200s. 3 kilograms, 200 grams. Let's just write that, see if it works. 3 kilograms and 200 grams. 3 kilograms, 400 grams. 3 kilograms, 600 grams. 3 kilograms, 800 grams. 3 kilograms, 1,000. Oh, that's another kilogram. So 4 kilograms. Oh, wow. Okay. That works. So we can have a little look here, and it tells us that each small marking stands on this scale for 200 grams. So 1 kilogram is 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200 plus 200, all the way to 1,000 grams, which is the same as saying 1 kilogram. Okay? So we're going to look at some together. We've got some jelly beans, we've got the box, and we've got a bag of rice. If you want to do this on your own, pause the video, work it out on your own, and then restart the video and I'll go through the answers. If you're not too sure, let's go through it together. The mass of the jelly bean is about 1 kilogram, 200 grams. Is that right? 0. Oh, I should have hidden these really. 0. 1 kilogram. We know that each little gap, when there's 5 gaps, are 200, so 1 kilogram, 200. Fantastic, 1 kilogram, 200. Another way of writing that is, we know that 1 kilogram is 1,000 grams and 200 grams is the same as 200 grams. Add them all together and we get 1,200 grams. So another way of saying 1 kilogram, 200 grams is 1,200 grams. Mass of the box. Instructions start on 0 and go up. 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram. It's more than 2 kilograms. It's 2 kilograms. I said 100 then. I forgot what we were doing yesterday. So it's actually 2 kilograms, 200, 2 kilograms, 400. The mass of the box is 2 kilograms, 400. But what is that in grams? Well, we know that kilograms is 1,000. So 2 kilograms is 2,000. If I were to put my place value chart, I know I've got 2,000. It's a funny looking 0. 2,400 grams, which is the same as 2 kilograms, 400 grams. And then the rice, start on 0, 1 kilogram, 2 kilograms, 3 kilograms, and 1 extra jump. Each jump is 200 grams, so we've got 3 kilograms, 200 grams. Now, I said your task was a little bit different today. Your task is to estimate and measure things around the house. So I want you to create your own table. You can write any objects down. It might be a milk bottle. You need to estimate how much you think that weighs. So an estimate is a guess, and write it down here. You could put more than or less than, or you could be really accurate and put maybe 2 kilograms, 100 grams. But these objects need to be quite big and heavy objects. And when you do the actual maths, this means the correct maths. You need to try and find some scales in your house. You might need to borrow them from someone, and you might have scales that look like the ones that we've been practicing on, or you might only be able to find electronic ones, and they're really nice because they tell you in grams or kilograms and grams how many. The only thing I want you to watch out for is sometimes scales measure in something called ounces. We don't want to be measuring in ounces today. Okay, we're sticking to kilograms and grams. Now, when you've done your table, if you could take a picture of it and send it to your teacher, that would be absolutely amazing. See if you can aim for at least 3 objects that you measured today. Have fun!